To a new video on number conversion. In this video, we are going to convert a given binary number into its octal equivalent. So, watch the video till the end to learn how to convert a binary number into its equivalent octal number. We can easily convert a binary number into its corresponding octal representation. So, to convert a binary number into its equivalent octal number, it's simply the reverse process of the process to convert a octal number into its equivalent binary format. So the bits of the binary number are grouped into 3 bits. We will make a group of 3 bits, and this grouping will be start from the least significant bit or LSB. Then each group is converted into its octal equivalent, and finally we will get the octal number of the given binary number. So suppose we have given a binary number like this: 100 101 110, and we have to write the octal equivalent of this number. So the number we have 100 101 110, and this is our least significant bit, and we will start grouping from LSB and we will move towards MSB, and we will make a 3 binary bit we will take to make a group. So starting from LSB, we will collect 3 binary bit, again 3 binary bit to form a group. Now we have to write down the octal equivalent of this binary number. So 100, from the table we can see that the octal equivalent is 4. For 101 the octal equivalent is 5, and for 110 the octal equivalent is 6. So therefore we have given a number 100 101 110. So the octal equivalent of the given binary number is 4 5 6 8. So let's work with another example. Sometimes the binary number will not have even group of 3 bits. So for this example we have the binary number as 101 0110. We have a fraction part also. So after the fraction binary point we have this number. Now we are going to make a group of 3 bits, and from the binary point we will move towards the MSB to make a group of 3 bits starting from this LSB. So group of 3 bits, again group of 3 bits, and we have left with only 1 and just right part of the binary point we will make the group of 3 bits starting from this digit, and we will move towards right. So the left part of the binary point we will move towards left, and the right part of the binary point we will make the digit by forming towards right. So starting from here we will move towards right. Now here we have to watch one thing, that here we are not forming 3 bits, a group of 3 bits. For these cases we can add 1 or 2 zeros to the left of the MSB, and this case we can add 0 to the right. So now we can form a group of 3 bits. So now just according to the table we have to just write the octal equivalent of the given binary number. So this one will be 1, this is 2, this one is 6, 5, again 6. So therefore our given number 101 0110.10111, the octal equivalent is 126.56. This is our answer. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, then hit the like button.
If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell icon for regular updates.